Hey, I hope everybody's having a great evening. It's Ron Newsbaum. I'm the founder of BuilderComs. And real quick, I just want to go over how to search projects. This has come up a couple different times. So when you go into projects, you're going to see all your completed projects right here, or not completed, all your current projects right here. Anything that's requested that's come in will also show up here. And then all your completed projects. So depending on how you do it, whether you do it by the address or say you use a project number, an invoice number, right up here by create project, we do have a search bar. So you can come in, say you do use a project number and search any of your projects and be able to go right into that and find anything. So this one's it's under completed, but it gives you direct access into that project instead of having to go into the projects and then searching them out. Like I know, say we just want to look at project 913, not 973, 913. Boom, it brings that up. It singleizes that so I don't have to look for it and brings me right into this project, allows me to do anything I need to do. So yeah, right from that project page, you can search all of your individual projects and not have to actually go through current or completed or anything like that. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Once again, Ron Newsbaum, founder of BuilderComs. Reach out to myself, the team at buildercoms.com, or go on our website and fill out the contact us form, and we will be in touch with you as soon as we possibly can be. We are always here to help.